In this session, we are going to learn about call. Call means tense. Here we are going to learn about present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense means now the action which is done. Now the action which is done. We are having a slogan like past is a history. Past is a history. We cannot change it. Future is a mystery. We don't know about it. Right now is present. Right now is present. So enjoy the present moment. Okay. Enjoy joyfully. Let us go to the class. Here apurna vartaman kal. Apurna vartaman kal means present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Here masculine. Masculine means pulling. Masculine means pulling. At the same time, feminine means striling. Feminine means striling. Feminine means striling. Here we are going to learn about first person. First person is mine dash raha hoon. My dash raha hoon. Here we can write the verb as lick. We can write the root verb as lick. Lick means write. Lick means write. My lick raha hoon. My lick raha hoon. Here also the verb is, root verb is lick. Okay. My lick rahi hoon. Rahi hoon. My lick rahi hoon. Okay. I am writing now. Okay. This is the continuous tense. Present continuous. I am writing now. For the first person, we have to say it about that. My lick raha hoon. For the feminine, my lick rahi hoon. I already told you that all the female verbs ends with e sound. Ends with e sound. Then we go to the second person. Here the second person in English is you. And Hindi is tum. Hindi is tum. Tum dash rahe ho. Here we can put lick. Tum lick rahe ho. Tum lick rahe ho. You are writing now. Same here. Lick. Tum lick rahi ho. Tum lick rahi ho. This is for feminine. This is for feminine. Okay. For the second person, tum lick rahe ho. Tum lick rahi ho. Then we go to the third person. Third person here is vah yah. Vah yah dash raha hai. Here also we can put lick. Okay, lick. Vah lick raha hai. He is writing now. Same for yah. Yah lick raha hai. Same for yah lick raha hai. Then going to the feminine, vah. Vah here we can put lick. Okay, vah lick rahi hai. Vah lick rahi hai. She is writing now. Here also yah. Yah lick rahi hai. Okay. Then going for the plural form of all the persons. First person, second person, third person. Okay. Ve, ye, aap, hum. Same we can write here as lick. Okay. Ve lick rahe hain. Okay. Ve lick rahe hain. Then ye lick rahe hain. Okay. Then aap lick rahe hain. Hum lick rahe hain. Okay. Then for feminine, ve here we can put lick. We can put lick. Ve लिख रही हैं. Okay, वे लिख रही हैं. ये लिख रही हैं. Same as आप. आप लिख रही हैं. हम लिख रही हैं. The difference between present tense and present continuous is we have to add. Here we can see for the main, after the verb we have to write raha. We have to write raha. Then for tum we have to write rahe. Then for the third person we have to write raha. Then for the fourth one, the plural forms we have to write rahe. Here we can see all. For the first person, second person, third person, we have to write same rahi. Okay, rahi, 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 rahi. Okay, this is the difference between feminine and masculine. This is the difference between feminine and masculine. Okay, raha means this is a continuous tense. For the continuous tense, we have to put raha, rahi. Okay, for the plural, rahe, elders. Here also rahe. Then for singular we have to put raha. Here for all the person we have to put rahi. Okay, can you understand these things? Likewise we can do the tabular and write the verbs in the dash. We can read and practice this. Okay.